How to create Among Us account. Creating an Among Us account is quite easy and simple on mobile. Either that's on iOS or Android, it follows the same steps. So let's launch Among Us application on the device. Before that, make sure that you already have installed the application. Now tap on the Among Us icon at the bottom left corner of the screen or the bottom right corner of the screen and choose the Google account to continue or to create account. Once you have done with that, tap on the next button at the top right corner of the screen. Now on this section, you have to set up your gamer profile. You can easily edit the name as well as keep the profile picture with the help of the edit icon at top right corner of the screen. From this, among different kinds of profile images, choose any one that you wish to and tap Save at the top right corner of the screen. You can also delete this manual name given here and you can enter your own name to set up your profile. So let's enter it here as milestone and what it has been done or once you have set it up, and once done, tap Next at the top right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, you need to go through all these terms and conditions and then tap on the Create button at top right corner of the screen. Then a pop-up box will appear where you have to sign in to Among Us. So let's tap Continue button at bottom right corner of the screen. Here you have to check mark Create, Edit and Delete your Google Play Games activity. And once you have done that, tap Continue again. Now you have to verify your age, so enter your date of birth. Now tap the Submit button and you need to confirm that your birth date is correct. So let's tap Yes, otherwise you can edit it as well. Now tap Sign In button again. And as you can see that you have successfully signed in to your account. That is how we create Among Us account. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.